In this demo, I'm going to show a JavaFX version of PacMan written using Greenfoot running in SnapCode. So with SnapCode launched here, I'll go ahead and create a new project, and I'll just call this PacMan, and I'll go ahead and open my new empty project, and I'll select the top level here, and I'll click on the Server tab, and I actually want to load this from a repository. So I'll type in the address of my repository, reportmail.com/examples/pacman, and I'll hit return, and it'll find that repository with all the files, and I'll say update, and it finds the update files, and it'll go ahead and pull them all over for me here. Once the files are pulled over, it builds. And so in Greenfoot, the main class is the world class. And this PacMan has two of them. It's got an intro and it's got a maze. And so it starts with the intro. I'll just double click on that. It runs the intro, and then it brings up the maze. I can start moving around here. I'll go ahead and hit a pill and eat a couple of these guys. Okay, and I'll lose once just to show how that works. Okay, so that's the game, and I'll go ahead and close this. And so now I want to do a little bit of customization just to show some JavaFX inside of our PacMan. So I'm going to go to the ghost class, which is an actor, and I'm just going to override a method. It takes a node here, and I'll find the JavaFX node, and I want to override the create UI method, and I'm going to call the normal version, but I'm going to return a new JavaFX button, and I'll go ahead and label it ghost so we know it's a ghost, and I'll save that. And then I'm going to skip the intro this time. I'm just going to go straight to the maze. So I'll double click that. And so now we see the same game, except for instead of our ghosts, now we have buttons. And these are actually real JavaFX buttons that we can click on. But we can eat these. And it looks like I actually do better when I'm eating JavaFX buttons instead of ghosts. So anyway, this is PacMan running in JavaFX, written for the Greenfoot environment with a little bit of custom JavaFX modding. And that's the end of our demo.